Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a vanilla gift card in store in 2026. Now, before shopping, you just have to first of all check whether the vanilla gift card is already activated. So you can come here on balance.vanillagift.com website. Over here, you just have to provide your card number and the expiration date and CVV. Then click on the option of show card information and you can also press continue. Now many vanilla cards bought in stores activate automatically at purchase, but some still require activation through the packing instructions or via this particular website method or via phone verification. So if the card is not activated properly, the payment terminal will usually decline it immediately. Now, before going to the checkout page, you just have to first of all verify the remaining balance on the card. So a lot of in-store declines happens because the card balance is lower than the purchase amount or a previous transaction is still pending. So you will find all of these information by providing your card details and by clicking on the option of show card info over here. Now, most of the vanilla gift cards use the zip code which is linked during the activation or the last 4 digits of the card PIN as the PIN. So some of the cards automatically create the PIN after the first debit transaction. If the terminal asks for the debit or the credit card, always choose the credit card. That is often going to work more smoothly because many gift cards do not fully support debit PIN transactions everywhere. Now at the checkout, you can swipe, insert, or even tap the card depending on the terminal. If the balance is smaller than the purchase total, you can tell the cashier that you want to do a split payment. Then you can use the remaining amount with another card, cash, or even the mobile payments. So that's how you can basically use it. Thank you.